What's up, guys? We are at Rockingham Dragway for streetcar bragging rights. This is Jared Ward, Forward Performance. You guys know Jared. He's been doing all my stuff with the IS stuff and for the past couple of years now. Yep. So we're out here with his Supra. We're gonna get some cool video of it going down the track, kind of like today's story. But I'm a day late. Qualifying was yesterday. Today's eliminations. So Jared's gonna tell us and catch us up to right now. He's been through some shit, so this will be kind of funny.
Yeah, it always is. It's always a shit show. Yeah.
It's gotta be a shit show in some way.
Basically, after the past few days of having my transmission apart 37 times, finding broken stuff as I go, thought we had it good. Got here Thursday night, go to back to car trailer, shifter gets stuck in reverse, like can't do anything with it. So stayed up all night thinking I could fix something without taking the trans out. Wishful thinking. Yeah, no, broke shift selector piece and it's all the way down the trans. So yesterday we pulled the trans out, tore it all down.
Right here
in the dirt on the picnic table. And
which I'll log some photos.
Yeah,
of.
luckily we are, so I went and talked to the TIC Performance guys because they're here. They told me, oh yeah, those things break all the time. I'm like, that's weird, I didn't know that. So TIC Performance is 2 hours from here. Luckily my dad and stepmom were coming down from Ohio to watch me race. So they were here, they drove 2 hours to get me the billet shift selector piece. Yes, that happened.
Holy crap.
Got it back here. We had my buddy get my puller tool from Charlotte from the shop, bring it to me. We built that bitch on the table in the dirt, slammed it back together. Literally, they tech stayed late, open late. Got it done at like 7, went down there, teched in, and went at 7:94, probably an hour after that. Right off the trailer. So, down on mile an hour because it was miserable hot yesterday. But ended up having one more round qualifying this morning. Went a personal best of 781 at 177. Chicken footing and hitting rev limiter. So anyways, where we are now is we qualified 6 out of 50 cars. We're in 6th Outlaw, which is the Billy Badass guys.
Sick.
Probably
so
the
that's
only
like what, Grub, Worm,
yeah,
like Grannis, all the people you gotta.
Race cars.
Yeah,
right?
that's.
So we're gonna drive our street cars up there, not get pushed, and go have some fun. But I'm racing a guy that qualified with an 829, so should have that covered pretty well.
Sweet.
We just said fuck it, so putting this bottle on it now. So got 125 shot, 4 more pounds of boost everywhere. So this thing should pick up another couple hundred horse.
Sick.
So if everything works and doesn't break, I mean, this thing should go by far personal best. I'm hoping, I mean, hell, at least 60s, anything would be awesome.
Wild.
The faster would be even more awesome.
All right, let's throw a GoPro in the car and we'll catch back up when this thing's on the strip. All right, good luck.
Yep.
He's looking pretty good in the field. Jared, let's tell us what's going on.
So yeah, new PB, 779 and 181. So luckily, some of the fast guys are out. Grannis spun off the line. Josh Mann's car wouldn't start, so there's like 2 real fast guys left. The guy that Grannis lost against, I'm racing next, which is apparently just an 850 F body. So we're not changing anything.
Just run it.
Gonna run it. It should
and you sprayed that last one?
We had nitros on. I'm not convinced the solenoid worked and it came on because I just think it would have picked up more than it did. But whatever, don't need it right now. Yeah. So we're just gonna change nothing.
I mean, it was a no drama pass. It looked good. It was straight up.
So if I do the same thing I did last time, should be able to get this guy covered good,
Sick.
and then who knows what's going to happen.
Conditions are looking good. I mean, the
Yeah,
sun came down.
The air's getting better, so it should still go faster.
Hell yeah.
We're trying to go faster without changing anything, just better.
770s. Oh,
And,
dude.
I mean, anything, if I can just keep PB in every pass, let's go.
Dude, yeah. Dude, hell yeah. Next thing you see is Jared running down the track again. So let's get it.
Let's run.
How'd that go?
Well, it was my best 60 foot, and then didn't go in a second, which is cool. Luckily, that car's racing wasn't that fast, so got it into second after like 2 tries. And I was scared because it takes a second for the turbo light,
Yeah.
and then once it came on, I was like, I started kind of moving on them, but then once I got into third, I really got it. I was like, all right, we got this. So
that
luckily,
GoPro shot's gonna be cool.
2JZ freaking top end.
Heck yeah.
So yeah, did that. Car seems to still be good.
Hell yeah.
Not gonna touch a damn thing. Just clean it off and do the normal turnaround. And
Sick.
race a easy 6-second car that goes 6s sleeping. So
it's grub worm, right?
grub worm. Yeah. So a real race car. So, but anything can happen. He could break something, blow tires off. If I can have a good reaction and he doesn't have a kill map in it, because I think he went 6 days against Vlad because I think he was getting ready for John Rogers. John Rogers is out, so now
Right.
what I'm hoping.
Well, he was getting ready for you, really.
No, what I'm hoping is he just puts the same tune-up he had in last night, because I raced him last night.
Oh.
So if he does, and if he slept on a tree somehow,
Yeah.
like, and I could get out and this nitrous works and everything, I mean, it's possible. At least a good race would be cool.
A good race.
But
Get
like,
some video.
I'm alright with it because that's a freaking race car. Like,
Yeah.
you can't drive that car around. Like,
Yeah.
to be racing him in freaking Outlaw Stick is pretty. That's
Fucking
enough in itself.
Awesome.
That's enough in itself.
Yeah.
So I think it's pretty proven at this point.
I mean. We're catching up again with Jared here right after bragging rights. I missed that last run. I went home because I'm a pussy, and I mean, granted, I was falling asleep. I literally on my way home, I'm smacking myself. I was getting
fireworks
close.
show was at 3:30 in the morning.
Are they kidding?
I swear to God.
Drag
was
racing
at
is
3:30 in the morning.
drag racing is great, but I don't miss that. But yeah, I missed that last run. So Jared's gonna tell you about that last run. We're gonna show you that last run, and then we're gonna thank you for watching. So yeah, here. 3.
All right, so I was around 3 eliminations, and I had the Grub Warren Camaro, which, as if you don't know anything, that's a consistent 6-second stick car. So. Of course, we had nothing for that, but my goal was just another personal best, which we accomplished. We ended up going 7.72 at 182
Sick.
against him, so
Okay.
another personal best. One awesome thing we figured out, though, I don't know if I told you this.
No.
Did I tell you about my nitrous?
No.
So,
Wasn't coming on?
yeah, no.
Oh,
So when it
that's
don't
cool.
work. So not only did the nitrous not come on, but that means it was making less power because it's pulling timing and dumping fuel on that
interesting.
map.
So running 770.
I was going faster and faster and faster with less power than I normally run
Hey.
without nitrous. So that's fucking awesome because
that's legit.
now, like, I believe that this car's got 750s in the heat.
I was just about to say.
Yeah.
With nitrous, 760s
Maybe 40s.
without nitrous,
Maybe
and it's not
40s.
pulling.
Yeah.
Woo!
So that makes me so. I had a feeling because I was like, man, 1 hour an hour is not, because that thing should have been going 190
Yeah.
almost. But
Dude, let's go.
yeah, another flawless pass. Freaking left good. 121 60 foot. So my
The one before
the
that
round
we
2
missed.
that I missed fucking second was a 120.
Yeah.
Bitch, that would have been a
Yeah.
760.
That sucks.
But that's racing. So
That's all
yeah,
right.
and it drove back on the
It
trailer.
was a fun event too.
Yeah, drove back in the trailer. Yeah. So
All right.
we're getting there.
All
We're
right.
getting there. Thanks for watching. Do it for Dale.
Yeah. That.